Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Are you preparing for your CMA final examinations in December 2023 attempt? Are you preparing for CMA final in June 2024? Are you searching for the best videos for CMA final? Are you searching for the videos that are taught by the best faculty in the industry, either for old scheme or new scheme? Are you looking for the videos which are taught by the faculty having enormous experience in teaching the subject? Are you not finding them anywhere? Now, your search ends here. Your search ends with Masterminds CMA Final video classes. Because Masterminds CMA video classes for final are the most valuable videos for the students who are preparing for December 2023 attempt or June 2024 attempt. You may ask me, what might be the reasons for telling that these videos are the best videos? So, please let me explain you the reasons. The first and foremost reason is these video classes are being taught by faculty having enormous experience in their subject area and teaching the subject for several years. And all these faculty members are cherry picked by basing on their experience, and so that their experience are delivered through these video lectures. Each paper will be taught by one faculty, but here each paper will be taught by multiple faculty members, and all the 8 papers are taught by more than 10 faculty members having enormous experience. So this gives the students a better learning experience and to learn subject from multiple faculty members. And coming to the materials, Masterminds is very popular in offering the best quality materials starting from the foundation level to the final level. Now, we have only one thing while preparing our materials, that we always wanted to make our Masterminds materials as a one-stop solution. Apart from covering all the CMA sources, we also cover the multiple sources. We cover the best content from the author books. We also cover the best content wherever we find it and useful for CMA final students. That is the reason there is a great name for Masterminds materials in the market, that the Masterminds materials are the best materials. So definitely you can get the advantage of going through the best materials in the industry for qualifying your CMA final. And coming to the quality of audio and video, because while you are listening to the video classes, the most important thing is the quality of audio and video, which will enable you to listen to the classes in a pleasant manner for a longer time. At Masterminds, we record these videos with a high quality audio and video so that it will be giving you a very good learning and listening experience, so that you can spend more time in listening to these lectures. So these are the probable reasons for purchasing the Masterminds CMA final video classes, and above all, our results speak loud and clear. In the recent September 23 CMA inter and final results, our students grabbed 67 All India ranks, including All India first and second rank in CMA inter and All India second rank in CMA final. And this is definitely not a small achievement. And this is all because of the quality of services we provide, the quality of materials, the quality of teaching that we offer at Masterminds. Now, before going further, please install our Masterminds online classes app. If you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store and you can install Masterminds online classes app. If you are an iOS user, you can download Class Plus app from App Store and enter our organization code MZGUN. And by the way, Masterminds online classes app is having 50,000 plus downloads so far, and many students are getting benefited from this Masterminds online classes app. All our video classes will be available on our Masterminds online classes app, so you can download it and you can use this Masterminds online classes app in your mobile phone or in your tablet or in your iPhone. Now let us delve deeper into the details of the video classes that are available with us. Coming to the first paper, that is paper 13 of group 3. In new scheme, it is called as corporate and economic class. In old scheme, it is having the same name with the same paper number in the same group. And this paper is not suitable for old scheme students, that is 2016 scheme students, because there is a drastic change in the syllabus. Coming to the medium of teaching, 100% it is taught in English, and of course some difficult words and terms or some jargon might be repeated in Telugu. And these economic and corporate laws papers are taught by Mr. Kiran Parsa sir, taught corporate laws. He is having 15 years of enormous experience in teaching the subject, and economic laws are taught by CA Aditya sir, having a very good experience of 12 years in teaching the subject. And the duration of these video classes will be for 150 hours, and there are two options available for you to purchase these video classes. Option number one, you will be given 2 views for 10 months. A physical book will be given to you and you can view the material on the screen, and the classes will be delivered to you through Google Drive for a price of 6,199. And for this course, you can search for CC117 in our Masterminds online classes app. And option 2, with course code 160, it is available for 1 view, 1 month, and material can be viewed only on the screen, and classes will be delivered to you through Android app, and the price for this course is 1,999. And you can search for CMA Final Paperwise in our Masterminds online classes app, and in our Masterminds online classes app you can find the course name CMA Final Paperwise Corporate and Economic Laws. Now paper 14 of group 3 in the new scheme, it is called as Strategic Financial Management, and it is again paper 4 of group 3, Strategic Financial Management in old scheme. So 25% of the syllabus is newly added, and old scheme students can also purchase this video course because 25% of the syllabus is newly added. Some chapters might be dropped from the old scheme and students have to prepare them on their own. Otherwise, comfortably students can purchase, even old scheme students can also purchase this particular videos. And 100% the videos are taught in English, and some tough words will be repeated in Telugu. And these lectures are taught by CA and CMA Kaushik Mukesh sir, having 10 years of enormous experience in teaching the subject. And you have only one option to purchase, that is 2 views, 10 months, a physical book will be given, and material cannot be shown on the screen. You need to note down when the faculty is teaching down, and the classes will be delivered to you through Google Drive, and these all things are available for a price of 6,199. And in our Masterminds online classes app, you can search for CMA Final Paperwise SFM, that is Strategic Financial Management, and the duration of these classes will be 140 hours. And you can use CMA Final Paperwise keyword to search in our app. And coming to paper 15 of group 3, that is Direct Tax Laws and International Taxation. And in old scheme, it is paper 16 of group 3, Direct Tax Law and International Taxation. And you have 180 hours of videos for this particular subject. As there is no change in syllabus, even old scheme students also can comfortably purchase these videos, and there will be 100% English teaching, and tough words will be repeated again in Telugu. And these videos are taught by CA Ramchandra sir, having very good experience of teaching 16 years in this subject. And you have two options available. In option 1, there will be 2 views, 10 months, a physical book will be given to you. You can view the material on the screen. Classes will be delivered to you through Google Drive for a price of 6,599. And the course code is CC152. And you have option 2, 1 view, 1 month. You can view the material delivered through online classes app for a price of 1,999, and the code is CC153. And if you want to search for this course in our Masterminds online classes app, you can search for CMA Final Paperwise Direct Tax Laws. Now, paper 16 of group 3, Strategic Cost Management. It is again paper 15 of group 3 in old scheme with the name Strategic Cost Management and Decision Making. And we have 240 hours of videos for this particular subject, and 40% of the syllabus is newly added. And as 40% of the syllabus is newly added, and some chapters in old scheme may be dropped, and students have to prepare on their own such chapters. Otherwise, old scheme students also can comfortably follow these lectures. And 80% of the subject is taught in English and 20% of the subject in Telugu. And students of other state, if they want to purchase these videos, they can watch the sample videos, and only then they can take a decision whether they can purchase the videos or not. But there will be no problem that they can also easily and comfortably understand the language. And these classes are taught by CA Panduranga Reddy sir, having 11 years of very good experience in teaching the subject. And as I have already told you, you have 240 hours of these classes. And you have two options again available for this course. In option 1, you will be having 2 views, 10 months physical book. Material can be viewed on the screen. Classes delivered through Google Drive for a price of 6,999 rupees. And the course code is CC148. And in option 2, you will be given 1 view, 1 month. Material can be viewed on the screen. Classes delivered through Masterminds online classes app for a price of 1,999. And the course code is CC151. And the course name in the app is CMA Final Paperwise Strategic Cost Management. Now coming to paper 17 of Group 4 New Scheme, Cost and Management Audit. This is again paper 19 of Group 4 of Old Scheme, Cost and Management Audit. And we have 110 hours of these videos taught by CMA Pranay Vidyut sir, having 8 years of enormous experience in teaching the subject. As 10% of the syllabus is newly added, students of Old Scheme can comfortably follow these videos, and if some chapters of Old Scheme are not included in the New Scheme, students should prepare them on their own. Teaching will be done in 100% English, and some tough words might be repeated in Telugu. And you have two options like all other papers. You have one option called 2 views, 10 months. A physical book will be given and classes through Google Drive for a price of 5,499 rupees. And the course name in the app is CMA Final Paperwise Cost and Management Audit. And paper 18 of Group 4 of New Scheme, that is Corporate Financial Reporting. And this is paper 17 of Group 4 in Old Scheme, that is again Corporate Financial Reporting. And we have 110 hours of videos for this particular subject. And this subject is taught by CA Ramesh Kumar Malala sir, having 9 years of very good experience in teaching the subject. And 25% of the syllabus is newly added in this subject. So students of Old Scheme can also comfortably follow these videos. And all the classes will be taught in 70% English and 30% Telugu, so that students of other states can also easily follow. And you please watch the sample videos before purchasing these classes. And you have two options available for this. In the first option, there will be 2 views, 10 months. A physical book will be given. Material view is there. Classes through Google Drive for a price of 5,499. In option 2, you will be given 1 view, 1 month. Material can be viewed on the screen. Classes through Masterminds online classes app for a price of 1,999. And if you want to search for this course in our app, you can search for CMA Final Paperwise Corporate Financial Reporting, that is CFR. And paper 19 of Group 4 New Scheme, Indirect Tax Laws and Practice. This is again paper 18 of Group 4 Old Scheme, Indirect Tax Laws and Practice. And we have 110 hours of videos for this particular paper. In the Old Scheme, students can also purchase these videos comfortably because only 10% of the syllabus is newly added. And these classes are taught in 100% English by CA Lizil Lakshman sir, having 8 years of very good experience in teaching the subject. And you have two options available. Again, 2 views, 10 months, physical book, material view, Google Drive classes for a price of 5,499 rupees with the course code CC159. And in option 2, you will be given 1 view, 1 month, material view, classes through Masterminds online classes app for a price of 1,999 and with a course code of CC136. And you can search it in our app with the course CMA Final Paperwise Indirect Tax Laws IDT. And now paper 20A of Group 4 of New Scheme, that is Strategic Performance Management and Business Valuation. This is elective paper in New Scheme. And this is again paper 20A of Group 4 Old Scheme, Strategic Performance Management and Business Valuation. So 20% of the syllabus is newly added. So Old Scheme students can also follow these videos very much comfortably. So 70% classes are taught in English and 30% in Telugu. Students of other states can also understand these classes without any discomfort. Of course, you please watch the sample videos before purchasing the classes. And these classes are taught by CA Panduranga Reddy sir, who taught SPM, and he is having 11 years of very good experience in teaching the subject. And business valuation is taught by CA Amarendra sir, having 7 years of experience, a very good experience in teaching the subject. And these classes are available in two options. Option 1, there will be 2 views, 10 months, physical book, material view, classes through Google Drive for a price of 6,999. and the course code is CC121. In option 2, you will have one view, 1 month material can be viewed on the screen, classes through Masterminds online classes app for a price of 1999. And the course name in the app is CMA Final Paperwise, Strategic Performance Management and Business Valuation. And now if you want to purchase the entire group 3, yes, you can purchase. As I have told you, majority of the group 3 subjects are applicable for old scheme students also, and the medium of teaching, as discussed earlier, it will be mostly 100% English, and even some tough concepts will be taught in Telugu, and even students from other states also, they can comfortably purchase this course. And all the faculty names are already discussed earlier while discussing about Paperwise. And you have one option available to purchase this course for a price of 25,500 rupees. So you will be given 2 views, 12 months validity, physical books will be given to you, material can be viewed on the screen. And the name of the course in the app is CMA Final Group Wise, Group 3 all subjects. And you have 710 hours of video classes for entire Group 3. And if you want to purchase Group 4 videos, yes, you can purchase the same, where we have 490 hours of classes available for 22,500 rupees, where you will be given 2 views, 12 months validity, physical books will be given, material can be viewed on the screen, classes through Google Drive for a price of 22,500. And you can find the course CMA Final Group Wise, Group 4 all subjects. And you can also purchase a combo of Group 3 and Group 4 for a price of 45,500 rupees, where you will be given 2 views, 12 months, physical books will be given, material can be viewed on the screen, and classes will be given through Google Drive. And in our Masterminds online classes app, you can find the course name CMA Final Group Wise, both groups, all subjects. And you will have a total duration of 1200 hours for both Group 3 and Group 4. And there is an extraordinary, wonderful option that is available to the students, that is MPM. In this MPM mode, you will be given the entire group lectures. For example, if you take Group 3 MPM monthly payment mode, all the 710 hours will be given to you. Access will be given to you. So you can watch the videos wherever you have doubts. You can watch those videos entirely for 1 month. So Group 3 MPM is available with us for a price of 5,900 rupees. In this MPM, you will be given 1 view, 30 days, downloadable PDF material, and the classes will be delivered to you through Masterminds online classes app. And you can search for CMA Final MPM Group 3 all subjects. And you have Group 4 MPM that is available for 5,900 rupees, where you will be given 490 hours of videos for the entire month. You can watch wherever you want, whatever you want for the entire month. So 1 view will be given, 30 days validity, downloadable PDFs, and the classes will be delivered through Masterminds online classes app, and all these things for a price of 5,900 rupees. So these are all the CMA Final video classes that are all available with Masterminds, and many students have benefited from these classes physically by attending face-to-face classes, and many hundreds of students have purchased these classes in our Masterminds online classes app. So those of you who are aspiring to clear your CMA Final in December 23 attempt or preparing for June 24 attempt, yes, definitely these are the best choice videos for you. So think wise and take right decision. All the best. Thank you.